Hi everyone and welcome for today's video. As you can see in the screen, we are going to use the 5 cup tool again. I did mention it a couple videos back, and ever since I really wanted to play with it again. So here it is. If you have not seen how I build it, I will link the video here somewhere in the video as well, so that you can have a look at it. Basically, this is just 5 different cup sizes glued together to make this tool. The tool itself is surrounded by a couple of colors, so we are going bold again today. This is a purple, we have a metallic pink, black, brown, metallic turquoise, phthalo blue, metallic orange and a white. I'm going to put all these colors in my cup tool. If you want, you can just put one color for each ring. You can mix the colors in the rings, so like 2 colors for each ring, so that they come out like half-sided. This kind of works. Or you can go completely wild and put whatever color you want in whatever ring you want. I most of times put the white into the middle circle to give me this kind of cloud effect in the end when everything is stretched out. It doesn't work all the time, but it oftentimes works. So I tend to put the white in there. And also because this is the smallest cup and white tends to overpower all the other paints. Other than that, it is basically just putting everything on your canvas. It is a pretty large canvas here. I think it's about 1 meter by 40 centimeter or so. I didn't measure it. I did a layer of white paint underneath so that the poured paint can glide over easily, and then it is just about stretching and finger crossing. So I will let you watch, and I'm back in the end for the final judgment. And here we are, everything is done. I really like the result, and if you wonder if these little tiny cells on the left side around this white turquoise brownish part do bother me, they do bother me more than you can probably imagine. But I didn't really see a way to get them away, so I could just scrape them off or so, but it might have ruined it for me, so I just let it be as it is. I thought about painting over them when everything was dry, but you know, I just let it be. And overall they are not as disturbing anymore when it's dry. At least I tried to tell me this. But bottom line, I really like how this one turned out. I love the colors, I love the overall design, the cloud effect with the white really came out great, and I love the shimmer that came out in a couple of areas where the gold hits and where the metallic turquoise hits. There is not so much left from the metallic orange, so it is basically gone. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Let me know if you want to build such a tool yourself and play with it. If you already did, send me a photo. I would love to see your results on Facebook or Instagram. Yeah, other than that, my social media is in my video description as well as my materials that I've used. Subscribe to my channel. Did I mention this before? If not, here it is again. And yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And other than that, I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.